Welcome to CETS video tutorials. The purpose of this video is to show you how to schedule a new meeting from your profile page. If you need to learn how to log into Zoom meetings, please watch the first video in the playlist titled Log into Zoom Virtual Meeting. Once you have logged into Zoom, make sure Meetings is selected in Zoom main menu. Next, select Schedule a new meeting. Next, add the topic and description. Schedule a date and time. And then add the duration of your meeting. Recurring meeting means the meeting will occur again as frequently as you choose. Since this is a one-time meeting, this box should remain unchecked. If you require the attendees to register each time they attend your meeting, check the registration box. Next, for meeting ID, you have a choice. You can either select Generate Automatically or use your personal meeting ID. Next, select this box if you want to require your attendees to use a password to join your meeting. If you choose to require a password, you will then have to type in a password for your Zoom meeting. Next, under Video, select Host and Participant On box if you want to be able to see the image or video of participants and you want them to be able to see yours. Next, under Audio, my advice would be to select both so people can choose to call in by phone or use their computer's audio. Next, you have meeting options. You can select any or all options listed based on your meeting preferences. Lastly, in the event you don't join the meeting in time or at all, you may choose to have Zoom automatically assign someone as host in your place. Finally, verify all the information and click Save to add the meeting to your saved meetings. Under My Meetings, you'll now see the new meeting added. For live one-on-one training, call us during our office hours on our Zoom help desk at 1-646-558-8656 or using meeting ID 995-332-8350. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. Please click the YouTube like and subscribe buttons for updates on new videos. And don't forget to follow our Twitter for more updates and news.